What we're going to talk about now is letter weight. Here is a letter D. Okay. Now when I'm talking about letter weight, the first thing you want to know is what I mean by X height. X height is the distance between the top and the bottom line at this point. So it's the letter excluding the ascender or the descender, you know, in the case of a Y or a G or a J. That's the ascender and the descender. So this is the X height of the letter. And when we decide on the weight of a letter, we think about the number of times the width of the nib goes into the X height of the letter. So in this case it's just short of 4. I think this is demonstrated better on a blackboard demonstration that I did at Denman College, where I teach calligraphy. Here it is. Okay, right, so letter weight, this is very important. If I draw, if I write a letter O, if the blackboard will work. If I write a letter O like that, that I think you'd agree is a heavyweight letter, okay? If I do another one, like that, I think you'd agree that that's a lightweight letter. Would you? Because there's a lot of ink and not very, a lot of white paper and not very much ink, whereas here there's a lot more ink than there is white paper, or chalk and blackboard. Okay? So, let's just measure these. Once, twice, 3 times the width of the nib. There, okay? And this one is once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, just over 6 times the width of the nib. So if I want that weight of letter, I've got to measure up to that, whatever pen I'm using. Doesn't matter whether I'm using this piece of chalk, whether I'm using the pen you've got, or whether I'm using a big, wide brush, or whatever. If I measure up 3 widths of the brush, then it will always be the same weight. So if I do this, 1, 2, 3, and then I make that O again. Can you see that it's the same weight? It's a different size, but it's the same weight, okay? Do you understand that? Yes. Good. Because, you know, it doesn't matter how small your pen is, you still do it 3 nib widths, and you'll always get that weight. This is a very important aspect of calligraphy, okay? Really good. So now I hope you understand fully what letter weight means. It's very important. So when you're going to write an alphabet, you decide on the number of nib widths you want, which dictate the weight of the letter, and you rule up very accurately by stacking the nib widths. So here we are, 1, 2, 3, like that, and that is the X height of the letter that I want. So I hope that's now crystal clear to you. So I'll see you in the next video.